Okay, guys, so right now I'm kind of frustrated and tired and all of that wonderful things. But Ariana is gonna unbox her presents to see what she got. Me turn up your body or go it from your so. First thing, I don't know what this is, but let's see what it is. Stuff. Ari don't really can tear you off, so I tear them for you. Oh, Lord Jesus. Then Ari now go mad me, my I shall go fight for this now. A few? Your finger.
Your finger, yeah.
Your finger did a look one, I tell them.
Oh, Mr. Gully is over it.
Alright, that's one down. There are a few more to go. Another. Me don't make she tear them off, but me make she, me just make she. They tear them off here. Oh wait. Happy birthday, Jada. But Jesus. Alright, so there's another one, Dolly. Jada, you get a Dolly. Oh, and there's another one here. It says, Happy belated birthday, Aisha.
Then you not gonna mad me with this.
Come, lock up. You want me slap you? So Aisha get a Dolly too. Yeah. Oh, it's a mermaid, cockafat, a mermaid then. You don't have people them. Hey, mermaid. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. We're winding down. Oh, you can't wait till I get everything. This is a big box. Let's see what's in the big box. Me? Stretch out. God, no one tear off the ear off of me. She can't tear it off. That takes too long. You do it for her.
Is that is my mom?
Yes, Ari. Good job. Anybody buy this, buy the right thing. Praise Jesus, me never buy this. Come I go buy the board, the chalkboard thingy. Oh wow, this is cute. This is cute. I like this. Yay, this is thoughtful. It's a whole school kit. It's a marker this. Marker. Alright, I don't know what they mean. They look like marker, pen, book. It's a whole thing. And there's a chartboard. Good job. Anybody bought this? Good job. Y'all gonna learn how to read. Alright now.
Yay!
Next bag. These are thoughtful gifts. They mad me now.
You didn't
Well,
buy
me proud of them. I'm happy for them a gift. Them a gift and look like them a mad with. Okay. What is this? This says some Panasonic business.
Open
Yeah,
nothing to make nice.
Me I tell you. Oh, I played with this though.
Yeah?
Open your kissing?
Give me money.
Oh no, Lord Jesus. I want
nothing.
them here. I played with them here.
I got nothing here.
I almost played with I put on one box of bubble gum.
Read
I
it.
played do yeah. See, I put it in this
Oh.
make some galamins. It's Play-Doh. So, boy, Aisha still have Play-Doh from last party. Harry get another. Then get another set of Play-Doh to tear down the house with. But we are very grateful for it because enough is enough. Yes, Harry, go, girl. You get your gift. You get some nice. You get some nice. Okay, one more gift is in a bag. Tie up on all these things. Yeah, you. Oh, wrap up two in a hurry. This look like a clothes. Some clothes this I can do. Me no mind not tell you, me mind tell me. Oh, it's a suit. Oh my lord, I like this. Cute. Cutie. Oh, your grandfather gone. Are your grandfather come out? Are your grandfather come out? Your grandfather come right out.
Mommy.
When you wear them, you have to take one picture and send him. You hear?
Yeah.
Your grandfather come out, Harry. Wow.
Mommy. You know what? I'm gonna play bubble them and bust them, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah?
Yes. Oh, my first treasury. Oh, this is thoughtful. Oh my lord, you're gonna write your name right there, Jadani. Oh, this is. I'm gonna read you a story, my baby. This is
Thank you
thoughtful,
so
baby.
much,
Thoughtful.
Thank you so
This is
much.
thoughtful, Ari. There you go. That's a
Aw.
nice reading book, baby.
Aw.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, me a team this when I ask.
Come on, I feel sick.
Shame.
Aw. Oh, that's your mom.
I think I see a fair birthday.
I'm feeling a bit jealous.
Baby. Wow. Wow. It's a mermaid.
Nothing else is in the bag.
Bag is fully empty now.
Mermaid, Mom.
These are very thought. I love these gifts, honestly. I don't know if people give her stuff, but
Mom.
everything that she got is very thoughtful. And I personally must say, thanks to everybody that got her something. They're very thoughtful gifts. Me love them. She loves. Okay, what is? She loved them too.
Oh, Mom. She
We
opened
unbox.
a
I used to
mermaid.
present them too. Oh yeah, me alone to get no present for my birthday. Me alone nobody.
Are you alone did have birthday in a coronavirus?
Mommy, put this there for me, please.
Well, they have a point, no kitty.
Mama say we
Alright,
get
wait,
birthday in a
wait.
corona, you know.
Yeah. So wait, Ari.
Mommy,
You, Ari, Aisha, if I can pull it, you can pull it. Watch it.
Mommy, give me mine.
Oh, and guys, if you want to see my present, I'm going to put a video of it in the front of this.
Mommy, give me mine.
So you can see my present was a pool. I bought her a pool for her birthday.
Give me Aisha.
That's my present. Me I put up a video when she and I pull a place so you can see it.
Mom,
This is cute. It's a watch, guys. She loves watches, so we know she not gonna jump and prance for that. She get an earring, but me a teeth it. Cause guess what? She get 2 earring. Watch it, go away. She get 2 earring, but me a teeth it back. Cause guess what? She teeth my earring the other day. Me a teeth back when I spare them. I love that chain you in, Jesus.
just
But oh my God, this necklace is beautiful. But as you guys can see, both of my daughters, they now have their name necklaces. I'm gonna also put a picture and a video of it in the front of this video so you guys can see. Yeah, this is pretty, don't you? Pretty.
Wow. It's
And
so
then look on
beautiful,
this.
Mom.
This nice. Why y'all lost them? I want to clot you.
Nice diamond chip.
Yeah, and the other one here.
Mommy.
So what piece of that earring she got?
Yeah, 2 earring and 1 chain. And this is the last one of the earring. Why not tear up them? Anyways, I phone them to tear up. So guys, I really appreciate these gifts so much. Thank you guys so much. We're really appreciative of it because we never have to do it, but we do it. And the kids are obviously enjoying themselves. Media so still up.
I got that.
I really not see this because she not gonna give me. She not see it. Thank you guys.